What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to the state of Ohio. But first, last episode I had buffalo wings in Buffalo, New York at Duff's, and they were fantastic. I made a huge mess. They were spicy, but not incredibly spicy, but they were one of the best wings I've probably ever had in my life. But we've got our leaderboard of a lot of very good foods. I'm looking at it right now, and I had to make some tough decisions, and I decided to put New York Buffalo wings at number 14 on our list. They were amazing. They got the iconicness. I put them right below the key lime pie. I just remember being so refreshed in Florida when it was so humid, having that key lime pie. And then right above the green chili from New Mexico, those were fantastic too. And I think buffalo wings fit right there in that spot for now. But today we are going to Ohio, state number 34. I can't believe we're this far along already. We have to stop to charge in an hour and a half. We're gonna get to the hotel in Ohio tonight, stay the night there, and have the Ohio food tomorrow. So this will be an overnight episode with a charging stop in between coming up shortly, because I don't want to get there too late and it's already 7 o'clock. So let's go ahead and hit the road to Erie, Pennsylvania to charge. Welcome to Erie, Pennsylvania. Not in Ohio yet. There's a little bit of land between Ohio and New York of Pennsylvania, but we are here in the parking lot of a Sorry guys, probably the last time I can make that joke, so I wanted to get it in. But we're here in Sheetz, which is pretty cool. Should I get a pepperoni roll? No, I'm not hungry at all. Those wings are still sitting in my stomach. Stay, Brody. Boop. This is the last stop before our hotel for the night, so we're gonna get some steps in, and I can also use a walk after those wings, so we'll take our time charging. The boys and I usually do an evening walk in our normal Vegas routine, but on the road it's been a bit up and down, hit or miss, so right now this is our evening walk. And then sometimes for fun I'll throw one of these in. Whoa, you like them, Brody? You like them, Brody? He likes it, I promise. It riles him up. It gets him going. Pumbaa? Pumbaa? He's looking. He's looking for the Pumbaa. Hey, there's nothing over there. Got him going. We have our fun. All right, boy, let's get some water first. Where you? Over here. You wanna come up here? Come here. Oh, my Brody boy. That's what you wanted? That's what you wanted? They got their own coffee. I saw that last time and forgot. I got a caramel and a cinnamon. Cinnamon's risky. We'll see how it is. But they don't have pepperoni rolls. It may truly only be a West Virginia thing, which is pretty cool. But here we go, off to the hotel for the night. I am sure we have way more than enough battery to get there. We have 83%, we'll get there with 54%, which is plenty enough for tonight and then some tomorrow. Sounds good. Let's hit the road to Painesville, right outside Cleveland. We're here 57%, also 61 degrees. That's kind of cold, but it's late. Let's go check in. Oh my gosh. Come here. Oh my God, come here. Has anybody seen Raider? I think he's hiding somewhere from me. He's afraid of this ear thing. Anybody seen him around here? Well, finished our nightly chores. I was uploading footage for the night and they were knocked out. I didn't even take them for their night walk. They just knocked out. So I'm gonna let them sleep. It is a little late. I'm gonna sleep too. Gonna try to work out and run in the morning. Get a little crazy. We'll see how that goes. But good night. See you guys in the morning. Good morning. He's ready to go. Let's get this person. Whoa. All right, shout out Planet Fitness. Got a great workout in this morning. Went for a run inside there because the gym and the hotel are by interstates. Not much to run out here. And then I forgot my dry clothes again, so I had to rock the Bucky's outfit on the way home. And now we're here, ready to go eat in Ohio, but we gotta do one thing first. I didn't forget, it was dark last night. I didn't forget, so let's do it. I feel kind of gross every time I sit here because I'm trying to avoid bugs. It's pretty bad right now. We gotta find something to clean that. But anyway, Ohio, we're in Painesville, Ohio, so the town is called, right? 20-ish miles east of Cleveland. Cool name for a town, Painesville, I like that. Anyways, Ohio, let's get Ohio on our board. Vermont's there, right? Don't forget, Vermont is there. And Ohio is officially there also. We are making our way back, that's for sure. Hopefully get to Chicago tonight. Can't wait to go there and just relax for a little bit because this trip has been grinding the whole time. And today we got a few states to go before we get there. And we got to eat in Ohio. Let's go do that. And where we're going to eat is about 10 minutes away. It's in the sweets and treats category, I would say, which has performed well so far, so I'm excited. Let's just skip there. We are sitting outside Malley's Chocolates, a Cleveland chocolate institution that's been around since 1935. And we're here in Ohio to try the iconic Ohio dessert, the Buckeye. And if you're not from Ohio, a Buckeye is basically a chocolate ball filled with peanut butter inside. Same ingredients as a Reese's, but different ratios. The Buckeye is designed to look like the nut from Ohio State tree, which is the Buckeye, with the little circle of peanut butter showing up top. Peanut butter and chocolate is just a winning combination. I like sweets and treats. This is my breakfast, by the way, so let's go in and try some. Alrighty, we are in Malley's. I got 6 of these. They look good. Beautiful place in here. Very nice setup. Did not know what to expect. You can hang out in here, drink some milkshakes, have a good time. This is a Buckeye. This is it. It's pretty simple. Chocolate peanut butter. Let's see who has the better chocolate peanut butter ratio, Reese's or Buckeyes. Chocolate and peanut butter is always a winning combination. Cheers. Interesting. Delicious, but more peanut butter inside. A top layer, just for show. Inside is the real deal. And it's chocolate peanut butter, delicious. You guys know I like simple things. I like sweets and treats, but these are good. I'm glad I got 6. I can down these. If you give me a box of these for the road trip, they'd be gone by our next stop. It's a perfect, easy, snackable snack. A fantastic start to the day, I'll tell you that much. I will say, compared to a Reese's, I mean, same ingredients, better ingredients here for sure. Like, this is a local bakery, it's fantastic. But the peanut butter to chocolate ratio, more peanut butter in here, which I would have, I guess, before this not preferred, but it's great peanut butter. I mean, as good as it is, not much to review as a chocolate peanut butter ball, but it is fantastic. I'm gonna enjoy these last 2, and I'll see you in the car. Alrighty, y'all. I mean, it's hard to go into depth. It's a chocolate ball filled with peanut butter, but it was good. It's simple. You know I like simple things. It was delicious, and Malley's here in Ohio, I went to the right place. But like I said, it was great. A dangerous road trip snack. I did not get some for the road, but I am gonna get that Sheetz coffee I got in the back. Actually, before I forget, let me do that right now. I got the cinnamon one. Feeling a little crazy this morning. Cinnamon churro. I like cinnamon on apple cider donuts. It is the best thing in the world. And coffee, it's a bit too much. But I'm sorry, that is not what we're here for. Ohio, Buckeye, great dessert, dangerous road trip snack. Did not get some for the road for that reason. We got a lot to eat today, but we gotta rank it, and you guys know, I'll think about it, let it sit for a minute, put it somewhere, and let you guys know tomorrow. Thanks for watching Ohio. See you guys tomorrow.